nice cars too. Oh! Whoa, whoa, look at that! Holy shit, it flipped over!
Don't be cautious. See how that going up. Let's get inside. Let me get two more.
Поехали.
He did it to win it. You ain't gonna make it.
Bye-bye, trailer.
Here goes.
Fuck!
Make this thing end. And now you see a police car just driving into him, drive him into the curb. Very good. And just blocking him in. But he is fighting his way out of that. And hopefully this unit can just shove him right into a car. Bang! Right there. That poor guy waiting for the light. And the units are going to get in and block him front, back, and on the side. And you see him getting out of the car, sliding over. And then the officers will take him into custody. Very good. Very good. But you saw that officer there from